What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're taking a look at the Ofelia Vass King Duvet cover. You can pick up at IKEA for about 75 bucks. This is a really nice duvet cover with a thread count of 205. Now, that's not the highest thread count duvet cover you can buy. You can find thread count sheets up to 1800. Nonetheless, research and many articles on the internet show that some of the best and most comfortable and most durable and long-lasting duvet covers have a thread count of around 180 to 220 threads. Where I work, we use these on our beds. I actually work at a hotel. I am part of the groundskeeping and housekeeping crew. Nonetheless, we use these duvet covers, and they are actually very durable. You can throw them in the wash constantly when they get stains on them. In addition to that, you can spot treat them. They're very lightweight. They're not heavy, even though they are the heaviest aspect of the sheets that you will have on your bed. They are nonetheless pretty light. This hotel that I'm actually working at is actually based in Southwest Florida here, so we're on Fort Myers Beach here in Southwest Florida, so as you can imagine, it's probably pretty hot during the day, so when people come home at night, they want to get into a bed that's pretty cool, and having a thread count of 205 ensures that this is a nice light sheet that won't heat up too bad. So like I said, this is a King Duvet cover. You can pick up at IKEA for 75 bucks. Just to give you guys an idea of the dimensions, we've got a finished size of 102 by 86 for king mattresses, 76 by 80 inches. This does not come with pillowcases or sheets. This is just the duvet cover. It is 75 bucks. You can pick it up at IKEA. Let's go ahead and see if we can rip it open with one hand here. Excuse me for... Let me put the camera down for just a moment. So here is our 205 thread count King Duvet cover. Really nice texture. You've got these really nice stripes that run along through the inside here. It's stark white, not like an off-white or cream white. It's pretty stark white. I'm going to go ahead and throw this on the bed and show you guys the finished product. So, slight correction, guys, from earlier. These do come with the pillowcases. It comes with 2 king-size pillowcases. Okay, so as you can see, I started by unbuttoning the bottom of the duvet here. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can show you guys a little bit of a tip. Insert your hand down to the corner of the duvet cover itself. Let's see if I can get my hand down there while holding the camera. You want to grab it and you want to pull it out of the duvet cover like so. And what you want to do is you want to grab the corner of the insert. Pull it inside the duvet cover like so. Okay, so we've got the first corner down pretty good. Second corner is a little bit on the loose side there. We could probably pull the insert a little bit closer to the corner there. The insert is actually pretty much to the corner on the third side, and on the fourth side over here by the nightstand, the corner is also pretty good. So what I'll basically do is take it and just sort of... So we'll go ahead and we'll snap them in. So we'll get that button in there. Okay. This is the last button. Actually, I lied. I've got one more right here. So that is our finished product here. It's pretty much at the corner. I'll go ahead and make the bed and show you what a beautiful finished bed looks like with a brand new King Duvet cover. Okay, there is our finished product, our beautiful brand new Ofelia Vass King Duvet cover. You can pick up at IKEA for 75 bucks. There is our beautiful finished product there. We've got 3 pillows, 2 little rectangle pillows, and like I said, last but not least, our King Duvet cover. Now, just to clarify, yes, this did come with 2 King Duvet pillowcases. We don't use them here at the hotel. We only use standard, just white pillowcases. We don't use the King Duvet cover pillowcases to match it. They're just a little bit easier to maintain, I think. They're also cheaper to replace. So every time you get a duvet, they come with the 2 pillowcase covers, so technically we would have to buy a new duvet cover to replace the pillowcases. I'm sure you can get the pillowcases separate, but you guys get the idea. Okay, so my name is John. Thank you so much for tuning. The King Duvet cover you can pick up at IKEA is a big box good. I will see you in the next video.